Hi and welcome back. So, after living here in Ayia Napa for a while now, there's some places you just have to see that I have explored. And this is my 5 top things that you just have to do or see here in Ayia Napa. So let's go. So the first thing you have to see is actually the Blue Lagoon. And it's just so nice. The water is just crystal clear and you can explore the waters by snorkeling by yourself, and it's just an amazing thing to see. The best way to go to Blue Lagoon is actually by a catamaran or another boat, and I would recommend a catamaran. I have a whole video about this and I can link it up here. What you get in a catamaran is basically you get both lunch, you get drinks and everything that you would like to have on a boat trip, and also you get to explore the whole side of the Ayia Napa with Famagusta and the Blue Lagoon. So this is something I really recommend to start off with in your journey here in Ayia Napa. And why not just take a nice walk down to the Ayia Napa Harbour and just explore the nice views there is and the boats laying in the harbour. And while you're there, just go and eat some of the local foods in some of the restaurants. They have amazing restaurants and they have seafood if you like that, and it's really nice. You can even find normal restaurants that is not seafood based, but I'm just recommending the seafood so much. And even a bonus, if you walk in the harbour at the evening and you can see the sunset. Down here it's around between 7 and 8 p.m. when the sun goes down, and it's just a beautiful hour to walk in the harbour, and you will see the true vision of the harbour come to life. And while we're at it, like talking about water, we have to say that you need to go to Nissi Beach. It's one of the most amazing beaches that is down here in Ayia Napa, and you probably heard about it already once. Like, it's hard to miss. This beach is basically for everyone. If you're a family or you're younger or you want to party, it's all for you. Because one side of the beach is more for families and more relaxed, and one of the other sides is more for partying. There's more music, bars and everything you can think of. It's a fit for everyone, and the water is just so nice. It's warm and there's a lot of space just to get your sunbeds. It's just a really nice exploration or just a chill day at the beach. And of course, the best way to explore Ayia Napa is by staying here in the central. You can find some of the best and affordable hotels just in the central, and that is just short walking distance to everything you need, like shops, beaches, restaurants, anything you can think of, even the ferry. And the best way to find out which place fits you the best is by going in through TripAdvisor that I have linked down below. I'm not sponsored, but I feel like if you want a really nice place to stay, you should go into my link where I have listed some of the best places in either Nissi Beach or in Ayia Napa, so check it out. And while we're at it, actually talking about drinks and stuff, you probably heard about Ayia Napa Bar Street. So in the Bar Street, it's in the day, it's just a very empty place. And you can just relax, taking a stroll on the Bar Street and just see all the memories and happy things that people have around this place. Because so many people are visiting this every year, and it's just a good aura around the place. But then something amazing happens when it gets dark. And that is that the whole Bar Street comes to life. The music starts playing. People are coming there. They're either for drinks or food, and everything just starts. The lights, the music, and this place is just for everyone that just wants a drink, or you want to drink a lot and get totally wasted. This place is for you, and they have everything you can think of. There's amazing bars. There's like these really cool clubs that you just have to explore yourself. There is some of the bars that I actually recommend. Maybe some of the Ambassaden, Frogs or Pirates is very popular ones. So check them out actually. It's my little advice. I've never been there though. Shh. And afterward, when you've been drinking, there's a lot of places that is open almost all night long from a midnight snack. If you like chicken, there is really nice places for chicken, and it's called Rios. It's just amazing. You can have a really spicy chicken, or you can have something that is very mild. They have anything for everyone. There's at least 10 layers of hot level you can choose from, so it's just mind-blowing how many options you have. And the last thing I actually don't want to miss on my list is actually visiting Luna Park. So it's a fair and it's down close to the harbor, and I just recommend it to everyone. There's so many things. There's relaxing roller coasters, there's everything for kids and for adults. There is the slingshot that shoots you very high up in the air. You can save the photos when they film you. You can even go in the big wheel. There is roller coasters with loops. There is just everything in this compact, really nice park. I would suggest going here by the evening because it's just another feeling. All the lights coming in, and you can relax at some of the bars or the restaurants there. There's a lot of small snack foods like cotton candy. I know they're actually doing like these corns. Yeah, so you can just eat some corn also. So it's a really nice place, and I could recommend it for everyone. It's a place you don't want to miss. It's free to go in. It's just the tickets and food that cost in here. So if you just want to explore it and not like buy anything, it's totally free. So that's a bonus. So yeah, that was everything I had on my list for now. I will probably do a bigger list later on when I explore a little bit more. If you have anything you want to suggest me to bring up, or something special about things that you just have to see here, just comment it down below and I will do my best. Well yeah, that was everything. Bye! Oh yeah, okay. No. So, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope it inspired you really much to what you can do here in Cyprus, and especially in Ayia Napa. This is some of the things I wish I knew before coming here, so this is really great tips for you. So if there is anything you can think of that you want to see, please tell me down below. Hit the like for the algorithm and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye!